Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the App Store and going straight to search. This triggers the list of recent suggestions. Once the list appears, tap into the search field and type a character to load suggestions. Make sure you can see the exact term you want cleared before proceeding, because the next action affects only visible entries. If you don't see it, try signing into the same Apple ID or perform a different character search to reveal hidden suggestions. Once you see the unwanted suggestion, swipe left on that specific entry and press delete. This removes only that search term from your local App Store suggestions. You should repeat this for each individual term you want gone. There is no bulk native clear all button in the App Store. If you use multiple devices with the same Apple ID, make sure to repeat the swipe delete on each device, because suggestions don't always sync instantly across hardware. Finish by closing and reopening the App Store so the change takes effect. If suggestions still appear, restart your iPhone to force a refresh. If deleted entries persist across devices, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, then sign back in to clear lingering sync data. As a last resort, reset keyboard suggestions or Siri and search suggestions in Settings, because sometimes predictive text reintroduces prompts. If problems continue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.